Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. After you have successfully upgraded your Windows VPS, you need to do the following to expand the hard drive for your Windows server. In this video, we give an example of a hard drive upgrade from 40 GB to 60 GB. First of all, log into the server as an administrator. Please refer to how to connect VPS via RDP at the link we put on the screen for more details. After connecting your Windows server, please go to search and type the command. The disk management window appears. Here you can see the current disk space. Right-click on Drive C and choose Extend Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Finish. So you have successfully extended the hard drive from 40 GB to 60 GB.